How to install Google Cloud SDK. In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Cloud SDK. So to get started, go ahead and head over to cloud.google.com/sdk/docs/install. And then in here, you'll be able to find this Google Cloud CLI installer under Windows. So you can actually select the specific system where you want to install the Google Cloud SDK. And then under that, you'll be able to find the executable file that you can download to download Google Cloud. So open your downloads and you'll be able to find the SDK there. Double click the specific executable file and this will pop on your screen. So in here, go ahead and check the checkbox that applies and then click on next. And then after that, go ahead and click on I agree and then set this to the installation type you prefer and then set the storage and then select the components that you want to install. Take note that you can find the space required below it. So make sure to select the components that you want to install and then click on the install button to start installing this specific SDK into your device. And that is how you can basically install Google Cloud SDK for Windows. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.